set off on about an hour's car journey across the Dartford crossing and out into the wonders of the Garden of England. The BTP boys were well equipped with equipment for photographic and video footage of the fascinating place that we were about to discover. We met with Richard Kemp, who invited us, and the former Kirby Islander David Jackson, both from the Essex Underground group we are both part of. We met in a car park not far from the site before driving to a field not far away from Rochester Castle, and along with many local residents and councillors we proceeded through the tunnels underneath Kent. On September the 23rd, 1941, the Shorts brothers, an aeroplane company making seaplanes in the Second World War, decided to build a factory in the safety of underground for use throughout the wartime, adjacent to their above-ground factory, which had stood there for some time, now demolished. The factory was used to creating seaplanes and stored 75 new machine tools which needed urgent space as the original factory was full. At the time it costed a massive £20,000 and consisted of 12,000 square feet of workshop space. At the eastern end of the tunnels, 300 yards of public air raid shelters were made, carved into the chalk and lined with corrugated iron and brick. Much of the original signage still remains today. After the war, up until the 1990s, Bloor Knox Limited paving contractors took over the tunnels. In places, the tunnels had not been lined, as you can see here, and were simply bare chalk. This was pretty spectacular.